The PolarPro 5050 is an optically correct over-under dome, allowing you to capture creative split-level shots. Begin shooting. To get started, attach your Hero 5 Black to the included grip and install the Hero 5 lens into the gasket. Next, close the latch and then take off the neoprene dome cover. You are now ready to film. For optimal results, keep your lens clean and free of water spots, and remember to practice your framing. Shooting in calm water is the easiest way to start out, while shooting in rough water can be challenging and requires some practice and patience. Discounted replacement lenses are also available via customer support. With the 5050, you will be able to capture outstanding over-under shots with your GoPro Hero 5 Black.
Up on the garage.
Everybody stand up. Boy.
This is cool. This is neat. That's fun. This is so cool. This is sweet.
That looks so sick.
Stay focused on the action with GoPro's fast and smart charging accessories. For epic days that won't quit, these 3 accessories let you capture more action with less charging time. Next time you go on a longer adventure, bring along the Supercharger, dual battery charger, or portable power pack. The first accessory we'll look at is the new GoPro Supercharger. Supercharger fast charges your GoPro Hero 5 Black and Hero 5 Session and other GoPro fast charge compatible devices 20% to 70% faster. It also charges all your other USB compatible devices, including your smartphone. Supercharger has 2 USB ports to charge multiple devices at the same time. The first is a USB-C port. This one charges fast charge compatible GoPro devices up to 3 times faster than normal chargers. So you can recharge a Hero 5 Black in less than 2 hours, or a Karma Grip in just 2 hours instead of 6 hours with normal chargers. The other port is a standard USB-A port. It will charge almost any device at normal charging speed. You can use both ports simultaneously to charge multiple devices, but only the USB-C fast charges. You can also use Supercharger to continuously power your GoPro when you're doing longer captures like time-lapse photography. Supercharger is light and packable, and it comes with adapters for most countries' AC outlets, so you can bring it on every adventure around the globe. The next essential charging accessory is the dual battery charger. This device charges 2 Hero 5 Black batteries simultaneously and charges both batteries much faster when used with Supercharger. Since it comes with an extra battery for Hero 5 Black, use dual battery charger to carry extra batteries when you're out in the field or for longer captures. And for times when you have no access to an AC outlet, we always recommend using the portable power pack. This lightweight, packable design fits in your pocket so you can bring it anywhere. And you can charge your Hero 5 Black up to 4 times on a single charge. It has dual USB ports to charge 2 devices at once, so you can charge 2 Hero 5 cameras, or a camera and another accessory like the dual battery charger or the Karma Grip. Portable Power Pack is also a great source of power to recharge your smartphone when you need it. Tether Portable Power Pack to your camera for endurance power when you want to shoot time-lapse or night-lapse or extended video. For travel, extended shoots, or anytime you're away from a power source, GoPro has you covered with fast charging and smart charging solutions. Spend more time capturing the awesome with GoPro's charging solutions.
Meet 3-Way, the most versatile GoPro mount yet. 3-Way can be used in 3 main ways: as an extension arm, camera grip, or tripod. To capture everything from POV and selfies to static tripod shots, follow cam, and more. 3-Way's folding extension arm is incredibly unique, allowing you to self-document your passions without the mount appearing in the shot. This one feature makes it the ultimate mount for selfies. Want to get closer? Detach the handle from the arm and it doubles as a camera grip, perfect for POV angles and follow cam. The grip makes it easy to aim your camera and frame your shots with confidence. Conveniently stored inside the handle is a lightweight mini tripod that can be removed and used on its own or combined with the handle. It's ideal for time-lapse photography and other static tripod shots. 3-Way can be used in and out of the water. It's completely modular, so you can configure it for a wide variety of uses and adjust it for nearly infinite angles. 3-Way measures 20 inches at full extension and a low-profile 7.5 inches when collapsed. If you only bring one mount with you, 3-Way may be your new best friend. Throw it in your pack on surf trips, mountain adventures, urban vacations, and more. Compatible with all GoPro cameras and perfect for a wide range of sports and activities. 3-Way helps make the world's most versatile camera exactly that.
Stabilization is one of those things that once you see the video from it, you immediately understand why you need it.
With Karma, we're giving you a world-class stabilizer to ensure that you get the best, most stable shots possible in the air and on the ground. The Karma Grip enables you to take the stabilizer from your Karma drone, place it on the Karma Grip, and use it for super steady, buttery smooth, handheld footage on the ground.
No matter what movement you do with your body or your skateboard or the car, it creates this perfectly stabilized image and enables someone to capture footage of someone walking and have it be the smoothest, highest quality image that they have captured ever with a GoPro. And then the Karma Grip becomes an extension of your GoPro. It gives you the ability to start, stop the camera, change camera modes. You can change the stabilizer's angle. You can highlight your best moments on the fly and provides 2 hours of battery life so that you can capture any activity you're doing. And you can obviously power on and off the camera. And then furthermore, you can take the Karma Grip and mount it into the full GoPro ecosystem of mounts. So that means you can take a beautiful stabilized image by mounting it onto even the Karma case, or you can put it onto a bike, you can put it onto a car, you can put it onto a helmet. We didn't focus on creating just a flying camera. We set out to make a system that allows you to capture the best GoPro footage ever.